Wow.
See, look at mine too.
Are there any sales today?
Everything's half price.
Okay, I didn't know.
Everything.
I wasn't familiar
Oh, it's okay.
with your company.
Yeah,
Yes,
everything.
everything is
Okay.
half price.
Thank you.
Perfect.
This is cool.
So let's do,
All right. This one.
This is very cool. I like that. And a poster.
And then this one.
this was the Ken one. That's why it's priced. Okay, so this one,
I don't have I broke my glasses. This is cool. Might make a pile somewhere.
yes, you know what? Out there is a save table.
Oh, there is?
There is a save table.
Oh
if you
God, I'll
want.
be going back and forth.
Well, here, do you have those things?
Yeah.
And that's gonna go, okay, I'll put it right on the
Thank
table.
you so much.
Yes. Okay, you're gonna have to come with me. All right, so let me just wait till Donna, you can both come with me, but I gotta wait till Donna comes back. 'Cause I
It's
can't-
cool.
All right.
Yes, 232. Very cool. Look at this bag. That's really cool. Look at this. I like that pig. Now something in there. Huh. I don't know that mark. Well, let's walk around and see what else we got. Huh. Wow. That's cool.
And the garage is open, there are things in the garage in case
Oh,
you
cool.
don't know, yes. there
Thank
are things
you.
out in the garage. Yes.
Are you sure? I can.
Yes, you go right ahead.
Jewelry.
You go ahead and I'll follow.
What's funny, I broke my glasses in my car like 10 minutes ago, and I'm working with one lens. So that's fun. All right. Just get a feel for what's here. Let's go in the next room. So everything is half price. There's a little Tanala. I don't know how much he is. $4 today. We'll grab him. I like that. Ooh, these are fun. These are real fun. How much are they, I wonder? It's a set of them. That's the Olympics. I don't see any sign. Maybe I can find a bag or something here. Here we go. Let's see. I think these are pretty cool. Two. Let's see if I can stand them up. There. Look at that. He is stinking adorable. He's a guns. I don't know how much these are.
They were $4 and now they're $2.
Each. Okay.
Yep.
Super. I'm going to grab those too.
You want to are you gonna take them?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna put them.
And I also have this little Tanala
Put 'em
bird.
right in there.
Awesome. You're the best. I just love this little guns bear. It's adorable. What else is in here? Oh, it's a little monkey. All right, let's keep going. This is a fun sale. All right. Wow. Alrighty. There's just amazing stuff. Wow. That's pretty heavy. I don't see a price on it. Even this. That's pretty cool. And no price. Okay. All right. Lots of books. Whew. All right. I'm gonna take these two things, I think. Look at those. I don't know what this face is. It's very cute. There's probably tons of stuff that I should be grabbing. Look at this basket. This basket's really cute. Huh. I don't see a price on that either. Huh. We'll grab them. Do you know how much this basket is?
Oh, my goodness.
I know there's no prices on these three things.
All right.
But I like them. It's so cute.
Oh, isn't that adorable?
Right.
So
cute.
I would have said $8 and it'd be $4
Okay,
now.
that's fine.
And
Here, I'll do it.
these, okay.
Yeah, no prices on those.
I'm gonna put 8 on them because then everybody.
Oh,
Nick
yes.
knows that it's half price.
Absolutely.
And these, this should have a price
I
on
didn't
it.
see one.
Okay. And this
Yeah, it was sitting right here.
This one I know I put a price on it.
Okay.
This was 8, so it'd be 4
Okay, super.
for this guy. And
Oh,
this
what a
one
fun sale.
would be 8.
I almost didn't come today either.
Oh yeah, this is
I'm
a
like,
great one.
man.
Here, what do you need?
Thank you so much. I love these.
Yeah, they are. I'm gonna bring these out because I know where these are. These are for 8.
So these are like 12. Love them. Wow. Wish you guys were open longer than noon.
It's been a long week.
Yeah, I bet.
I'm telling you, I can appreciate what you are saying.
Right. Oh, these are so cool.
Aren't they?
Yes.
Do you live nearby?
I live in Cheshire, 2
Oh,
towns
yeah.
away. Yep.
I know it. Gorgeous
I
town.
almost didn't come. I wanted to videotape and I forgot my SD card. So I was like, darn.
Hello. How are you?
Very good, yourself?
Good, good.
He's got
Pieces.
beautiful stuff.
Oh, it's awesome. How much is this little guy? Does it come with?
There's no price tag?
No.
It all came off.
Yeah, I don't see one.
Okay.
I'm digging these.
Say 16 for,
And it would be 8.
yeah.
These are adorable.
Upstairs. Okay. Yep, it has a door. I'll give it right back.
Super. Oh.
Yep.
Okay, apparently that's broken. That's really cute. She's really cute. I don't know what it says. I gotta read it.
We actually live only.
I like her. She'll be 5. And
Yeah, it's fascinating.
these are just look at this.
I did not. No.
It's a bunny. All right.
He was a professor at UCLA.
Right.
And I think Asian stuff is based on that. But,
All right. I have way too much in my hands. Where is that table outside?
you're tall.
These are cool.
Yeah, he'll be fine in September.
It doesn't
Don't lean
matter.
on that one.
I like those.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna.
Give it a big
Excuse
flip
me, I'm
before
right behind you.
Yeah.
All right. What else? Mhm.
Oh, the winter bud. Oh, the kid. Hey, Peggy, Peggy, I want
Oh, this is cool. What in the world is that? Tags cut off. All right.
Yeah.
This is kind of cool.
But anyway, enjoy.
Good catch.
I felt it, so I just stopped.
You go?
Kind of like it. I don't know what it is. All right. Huh. This is pretty nice. Be $6. Let's keep going. See what else is around. Okay. We're in the kitchen. And these are pretty. I'm sure I'm missing things. Alrighty. That is, wow. 20th set. Those are pretty cool. These look like house craft. I think they are. Stainless. $12 for all. And that would be $6. It's almost a no-brainer. Let's see. And not too many, but those won't be too bad. All right, I'm gonna pause. Wow. You see anything you would be picking up? Oh, it's a pretty set. And a lot of Corning. That's a really cool base right there. I'm gonna have to carry this out. Wow. 24. All right, let's keep looking. Oh. Okay, so now I'm upstairs. I'm not sure. Okay. Big tree. It's a cute stool right there. Wow. That's pretty cool. Huh. Some stuffed animals. Some older items over here. What is up here? don't think I really want to get any more. Oh, here's the tea. I don't know if he's $6, so he's pretty cool. What else do we have? We have more rooms. All right. Huh. All right. Oh, it's a whole like an apartment up here. Okay. I just came from that room. And wow, and there's a whole another floor. I don't think I'm going up. All my stuff in the garage. Oh boy. Huh. Oh, the thinkers. This is called the thinker. How I know this is because my dad had some bookends much bigger than this. And one fell off the shelf and was conked me on the head. It was like 5 or 6. Wow. That's pretty heavy. It's beautiful. Huh. Wow. This is cool. It's like, what do you get? What do you pick up? What do you leave behind? Wow. These are cool. Look at that. Huh. These are really cool. Packing it up?
Packing it up.
Pretty cat. These are really cool. I'm gonna put the ET back. I think I'd rather buy something more fun. ET goes back. ET's going home. ET came out of this room. Which room? This room. Okay. That's cool. It's a bucket hat. Beijing. I don't know how much it is. Let's find out. These are so cool. Look at this one. I think I might have to get that one. I think I should get that one. Ay, ay, ay. I wish I came sooner. These are so fun. This is pretty cool. They're heavy, but look at that. Let's see how much it is. No tag. Oh, there it is. On the top it says 20, so it'd be like 10. All right. Well, all right, I'm just gonna grab this one and okay, not much in here. Wow, look at that. Look at this guy. He is a, oh look, those are still here. All right, I'm gonna get back to you because I think I'm gonna grab all these prints right now.